So guys, this video is for all the students who recently gave their CA final attempt. CA students are entitled to 9 exemptions when it comes to the ACCA course. That means they're exempted from the first 2 levels, that is knowledge level and skill level. They only have to appear for the final 4 papers that is covered in the professional level of the ACCA course. So there is a misconception in the minds of students that you have to be a chartered accountant in order to claim those 9 exemptions. That's not true, guys. Even if you've scored the necessary marks in a couple of subjects in IPCC Group 1, Group 2 and similarly CA Final Group 1 and Group 2, you will be able to claim those 9 exemptions and directly start with the professional level course. In today's video, we'll be covering all the exemptions that a CA student can claim when it comes to the ACCA qualification. At Zell, we help out with courses like ACCA, CFA, CPA, DIP, IFRS and OBU as well. So if you have any queries regarding these particular courses, we have put a number in the description as well as the video over here. So you can feel free to reach out to us anytime. Also guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So CA students who have given their IPCC Group 1 and Group 2 but haven't cleared the group cumulatively. If you've got 40 plus in taxation and audit, you can claim exemptions for the taxation paper and the audit paper in ACCA course. And if you have not cleared the CA final group as well, the Group 1 and Group 2, but have got 40 plus in papers like Advanced Management Accounting, which is interlinked with Performance Management in ACCA, then Financial Reporting, which is again interlinked with Financial Reporting in ACCA, and Strategic Financial Management, which is interlinked with Financial Management in ACCA. If you've got 40 plus in these papers and if you've still not cleared the groups cumulatively, you are still entitled to claim those papers exemption. Even if you're not a chartered accountant and cleared these papers, you can claim those 9 exemptions in the ACCA course. I'd like to give you an example of a student who recently enrolled with us. So she had given her May 2021 CA final attempt and she had cleared IPCC Group 1 and Group 2. So she was getting the exemptions for the taxation and audit paper, and she had cleared Group 1 of final CA, wherein she was getting the exemptions for financial reporting and financial management. But she has not cleared the Group 2 of CA final. So what she did was she started studying for the professional level papers and she was like, I'll attempt my CA final Group 2 in December and clear that paper and ensure that I'm giving my professional level in the March 22 attempt. So she started preparing for the professional level 6 months prior to her attempt. So she didn't end up waiting and wasting those number of months, and she started preparing right then and there. Guys, we get a lot of students coming from different qualifications and different backgrounds. So if you have any queries, anything that we can help you out with, please put it down in the comment section and we'll make a video of that particular topic. Also guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.